Hello, this is Jonathan Johnson. Today we are doing Packet Tracer 5.3.4.4, performing an initial router configuration. The objective for this is to configure the router hostname, configure passwords, configure banner messages, verify that the router configuration. The background preparation is: in this activity, you will use the Cisco iOS CLI to apply an initial configuration to a router, including hostname, passwords, a message of the day, MOTD, a banner, and the basic settings. Note that some of the steps are not graded by a packet tracer. So step 1 would be to configure the router hostname. So click on Customer PC. Go to the desktop tab, please, at the top of your menu. Click on the terminal square and then press OK. Okay, we pull up the terminal part. Now we will now we're going to set the host name on the router to configure. So we're going to go enter router. We're going to go enable and then go configure terminal, and we're going to go host name, customer, no space, router. I gotta capitalize this C. Whoops. I go all the way back and do it. Customer, router. Okay. So now we're in global configuration mode. We're going to set the password to Cisco. So we're going to go customer. So we're going to go enable password Cisco. Enter, and we're gonna set encrypted privilege password Cisco123 using the secret command. So we're gonna go enable secret Cisco, enable secret Cisco 123. Okay, now we got that up. Now we're going to configure the console password. So in global configuration mode, we're going to switch to line configuration mode to specify the console line. So we're going to go line console 0, enter. Then we're going to set the password to Cisco123. And we're going to require that the passwords be entered at login and then exit the line configuration mode. So we're going to go password Cisco123, enter, login, enter, exit, enter, and we got the configuration. Now we're gonna step 4 is we're gonna configure the VTY password to allow Telnet access to the router. So in global configuration mode, we're gonna switch to line configuration mode to specify the VT line. So we're going to type in line VTY 04 and hit enter. And then we're going to type up set the password to Cisco123, and we're going to require the password to be entered at login and exit line configuration mode and then exit the configuration session. So we're going to go password Cisco123. Cisco123, enter, login, enter, exit, then enter. And then step 5, we're going to configure password encryption and a MOTD banner. MOTD is message of the day, a banner, and turn off domain server lookup. So currently the line passwords and the enable password are shown in the clear text. when you show the running configuration. Verify this by entering the show run config command. So we're gonna go show run. So we're gonna go show run. So now we got this shit, I gotta get back in that. Alright, so now we're gonna do the Met banner. So we're gonna type in service password encryption. Service password encryption. Okay, and then you can now use the show running config command to verify the passwords are encrypted. So we're going to type in show running show running config. Okay, did not work. To provide a warning when someone attempts to log on to the computer, configure a message of the day banner. So we're going to type in banner, MOTD space money sign, authorized access only. Authorized access only, just like that. Enter. We're going to test the banner and passwords. Log out of the router by typing exit, by typing the exit command twice. So exit and then exit again. So now we're logged out of the router. The banner displays before the prompt for a password. So we're press. Now it says, see, authorized access only, and now you're going to have to put the password in order to log into this router. So you may have noticed that when you enter a command incorrectly, that the user privilege exec prompt, the router pauses while trying to locate an IP address for the mistyped word you entered. For example, this output shows what happens when the enable command is mistyped. So we're going to have to get back in. Well, okay, so the password is Cisco123. Enter. You have to put it twice. Okay, now we're in the router. So we're going to type enable. Whoops, we were supposed to type. Okay, we're supposed to go enable. Now see, it's translating enable domain server. It's trying to find it. To prevent this from happening, use the following command to stop all DNS lookups from the router CLI. So alright, to keep this from happening, we're going to type in no. Well, we got to go back into this. We got to go conf t. What the? Shit. I gotta get back into this router. Alright, so now we're gonna go no IP domain lookup, so that way it doesn't sit there and search for things. Enter. We're going to save the running configuration to the startup configuration. So we're going to go end, and we're going to go copy, end, copy, run, start to save it, enter, destination file name, start config. Comes up. Enter. Okay, now we're back to here. Now we're going to log out of your terminal session with the Cisco 1841 customer router and log in to the Cisco 1841 customer router. So enter the console password when prompted. Okay, so now we're just going to, how do you log out? Exit twice. I'm going to go exit. Oh, we're already logged out. Okay, we're just going to go out. Now we're going to go back into the PC. We're going to go into terminal, click OK. We want to get back into it, so we're going to go enter, and we're just type in Cisco 123 for the password, enter. Now we're at the customer router part, and we're logged back in, and we have our banner right here, authorized access only. So everything went through. Now we're going to check our completion, make sure I didn't skip a step. Completion shows 100%, check results. And congratulations on completing this activity. And that's how you set up a banner and change passwords on a router, and set up certain things for domain lookups, and how you cannot make it so you don't search for things. Thank you for your time. Bye.